Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm looking at a Bose Sound Touch 300 soundbar and it's dead. So let's open it up and see if we can bring some life into this. It's powered on and nothing comes on at all. The lights and everything is dead, so let's just take that as a yes and open it up. So at the bottom of the soundbar there are plenty of screws to go through, and I would rather not make a video on these because it's quite painful to see how many screws I need to open up. The good thing is that it doesn't have any clips, it's all screw based, so for various reasons screws are better than clips. So let's just go and open every single screw that is here and see how it goes. Okay, and I'll continue once this is open. Right, I've removed all the screws, and just so you know, the 3 screws on the left side and 3 screws on the right side are slightly smaller, so make sure we keep these 3 and the other 3 in a separate place. All the rest of them are the same. So let's just continue opening it. Let's open that up. We're inside. What we are looking at is a chip, which is this one here, the DC to DC converter chip. So we're going to open that up. So let's see. We have to remove. Let's just use a machine instead, much quicker. That's it. There's 2 of those. One of this one here. 2 on this side. And on this side here. Looks much better. Now these are different, so we can't mix these up with others. So we'll open this board. We'll have to disconnect the ribbon cables gently. You just pull it out. It doesn't really need any clips or anything. And hopefully that comes off. And we've got a few other cables to disconnect. We've got one ribbon here. That's another one. You just pull it and it disconnects. And we have 2 more on this one here. We're going to pull that one and that will disconnect. And I think we've got one more here. That's the same. We pull it and we disconnect. Right. And I think we've got another one here. That goes as well. All the cable ribbons are now disconnected. We're going to put this in here. Put that back on and see what we need to do. Bring this back to life. So we've got 2 chips that I'm looking at are this one here and that one there. So these 2 chips need changing. Let's see if we can get the number on them. Right, there we are. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in as much as I can. Here we go. That's the number for that one there, and there's the other one here. Here, that one there. That's identical, I believe. So that one goes about. Where is it gone? Let me get it on the camera if I can. Here it is. Come on, where are we hiding? Let me zoom out a bit. Ah, there it is. Now that one here is also the same. Let's see if I can get some light on this so we can actually see. That's odd. Doesn't look good, does it? What does it look like? If I'm gently zooming in. That looks like it's pretty burnt out, if you ask me. Isn't it? So let's just replace that. That is the same chip that is on the other side as well. So we're going to replace that chip which is burnt out. And this chip over here, where are we? Let me just get the tweezer, sorry. So that chip here, that one here is the same as that one here, this one here. So we're going to replace that and see if that would bring it back to life again. Right, here we are. So we can see this chip here. I think, if I'm not wrong to say, if my camera can zoom in, and sometimes it can, sometimes it can't, but yeah, that is, there we are. That's pretty burnt out to me. Got a big massive crack on it as well, so I think that needs to be replaced. And the number is, half of it's there, but I'll tell you the number is exactly the same as the one. Identical. See if I can turn this light off. Maybe that light is too much. There we are. That is the number there. Got the chip here. I'm going to replace it. Right, the good news is that it's now working. You can see the lights have now come on this side. It's updating right now. I'll show you the flashing light. I don't know if you can see it. If I lift this probably, I just haven't. There it is there. It's flashing now. So it's going through an update right now because it says that it's going to do an update. So that's downloading. But yeah, the sound low is back on. It's working as it should. So yeah, that's another one of those components that has shown its life, and it's better to change it. So once that's changed, the sound bar should come back to life again. So I hope you guys like my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you for everyone who has been so far subscribing to my channel and asking all the questions. And I'll continue making more videos for everyone as I go along and find more solutions to problems. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye for now.